Hey guys, John and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. You can visit the website at BestPriceNutrition.com. We had a company reach out to us, CMWL, the Center for Medical Weight Loss. They have some keto protein shakes.
Yep.
Casein protein, right?
Calcium caseinate.
Calcium caseinate protein. These are keto friendly, only 5 grams of net carbs. We got 17 grams of protein per shake.
Only 160 calories.
Was it just these two flavors?
Yeah, no, there actually is other flavors. Yeah, we're just going to test out the milk or the chocolate and vanilla. They had salted caramel and mocha.
And what's kind of unique about these actually, when they sent these out and I opened them up, it was empty bottles, and I was kind of.
I thought it was just like an empty case.
Yeah, did these leak out? No, it turns out that you fill them with water. I imagine that probably saves on shipping costs.
Yep.
But it's kind of nice. You don't need a shaker bottle. You're not using a stinky protein shaker bottle. Just add the water to the fill line, shake it up, smell it. It smelled like like Weight Watchers or whatever those were protein shakes. I used to drink my mom's when I was a kid. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this.
Yeah, that's very good on the go as well. So let's see how this goes here.
We got 160 calories. So normally casein's a little bit heavier on the calories, but should be creamier and a little bit tastier. 160 calories, 7 grams of fat. Keto is always a little bit higher fat. 5 grams of net carbs, 17 grams of protein. So we'll give these a try.
All right.
We could have shaken it up a little bit more, Joe.
I did shake it up a lot. So a little bit of clumps, but I don't, I'm used to just like a whey isolate, just shaking it up.
Right.
So it is a casein, so yeah, let's try shaking that one up more. You want to shake the...
You know what I think might have done it? Jeff insisted that we put the powder in the refrigerator because apparently it's colder and tastier.
It's colder, it works that way. But I haven't done a pure casein shake in a long time. It is definitely thicker. It does not blend up as well as like a whey, so you just have to shake it. Now I can shake that one.
I say I have casein in a lot of blends, but I couldn't tell you the last time that I tried a casein. We got a little
mix there.
Chocolate vanilla mix there.
Okay. All right. I think I like the vanilla better.
I like the chocolate better.
You do?
This is like a Weight Watcher shake or whatever those shakes back in the day were. I will say the mixability a little rough.
Yeah, it's still. I don't think. Again, could that be because I put it in? I can't imagine that would be the case. But casein never is as blend friendly as whey is. But
I like the chocolate though, pretty tasty.
They're very tasty, and casein will. It's going to make you less hungry for a longer period of time. So I can understand why that's where they chose the casein over the whey.
Good for muscle recovery too, so great either after workout or before bed.
Yeah, before bed especially, you take one of these down. I'm one of those guys that wants a snack at night. So you drink something like this, within like an hour and a half of your bed, you're not going to be snacking. That's going to fill you up.
It's a good taste, not too sweet. It's only got 1 gram of sugar, so
yeah, exactly. I can see why it's keto friendly. So if you're on that keto diet and want something to starve off some of your hunger pains, definitely these taste good. They're easy to go anywhere with.
Convenient,
they're very convenient.
Good for
traveling as well. So that's our review on these two products. If you have any questions about this, post them down below. John and I will happy to answer those questions. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Lastly, if you want more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified for every single video we do. Thank you for watching.